Good morning, JoAnne Mbonigaba here from freedommompreneur-by-design.com. And in this video, as promised, I'm going to share with you how you can get financing as a non-resident here in Canada. Before we get started, I want to share two things. If you're new to my videos on my channel, really quickly what you can expect is videos on how to leverage videos to attract your ideal client and also support them throughout their interaction with your business so they have the best experience. I also do a lot of videos on one of my favorite topics, real estate, on optimal health, mindset hacks, book reviews. So if that's of value to you, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button so you're notified of whenever I go live or upload another video. The second thing I want to say is that I am in no means a licensed mortgage broker. I just love investing in real estate and sharing quick information to help people understand how they can leverage real estate as a key leg in their portfolio to building wealth. So I'm not a registered financial advisor. I'm not a licensed mortgage broker. I'm just a real estate investor like myself. And I get this question because of my origin. I come originally from the Caribbean, from a country called Barbados. And my husband comes from a small country in Africa called Rwanda. And we often have relatives reaching out to us asking for assistance on investing in Canada. Excuse me, I have a slight cold today. And I thought to come on quickly and talk about the mortgage. So yes, you can, as a non-resident of Canada, qualify for financing, i.e. a mortgage on a real estate asset here in Canada. However, as you can imagine, there's a few more hoops to jump through to qualify than someone who lives here in Canada. In general, first of all, you can expect to pay a larger minimum deposit for the purchase of your property. Usually, it's a minimum of 35% of the purchase price, right? So you'll get financing of up to 65% of your purchase price. The other key thing, in order to qualify, if you are a non-resident in Canada for a mortgage here in Canada, you have to have provable salaried income and provable credit history, right? The other, so I have a few people who own businesses in different parts of Africa or in the Caribbean, and when you own your own business, it's a little bit trickier depending on the size of the business or if you actually are being paid a salary from that business. So in general, you have to have provable salaried income, provable credit history, and a 35% deposit to purchase the property. The other key thing is when you're looking to get a mortgage on a property here in Canada, you want to make sure you're dealing with a mortgage broker who is licensed to write mortgages within that particular province. So for example, if the property is within Quebec, you want to deal with a licensed broker who is licensed for the province of Quebec. Vice versa, if you're buying a property in Ontario, deal with a mortgage broker who is licensed to write mortgages in Ontario. This is traditional mortgages, so you're talking about regular banks. However, as well, you can access the private mortgage market. There you'll be usually paying a premium in terms of interest rates, and the loan stipulations are specific to that particular mortgager. All right, hope that was of value to you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I answer all comments on my videos. And if you have a specific question that you'd like to speak to me one-on-one, then feel free to schedule a complimentary appointment with me to get that answered. JoAnne Mbonigaba here from freedommompreneur-by-design.com. Remember, as always, it's quality versus quantity, and I'll see you in my next video.